back to another video, Cozmo YouTuber. Today we're going to work on a new code Cozmo with Python. In the last video, we said that this next video would be about grocery lists and how it would turn out. Well, plans changed. Instead, today we're going to be looking at Cozmo imports and what else can we import with Cozmo. Because this next one has, and we might get into future imports for our next one, so I thought maybe we should begin early. We're going to be making a new project, and this is going to be our second project. So right here to our personal SDK, let's make a new text document, and then name it 01 underscore Python underscore imports underscore with underscore Cozmo underscore project 2. And then here, replace txt with py. And I accidentally put 01. That's supposed to be 02. Next, what we want to do is then you'll just right click on it, open with PyCharm Community Edition. I'm going to go with PyCharm first. So let's just open up this folder if you haven't already, that folder right here. If you haven't already, just open that up. And next thing we're going to do is start typing. First, let's just type in import Cozmo and put in our interpreter. And Cozmo, apply, okay. Hopefully, okay, it works. Next thing we want to do is add an import, and let's do an SYS. Next we want to do is add 2 spaces, and starting at line 4, we want to type in sys.exit, and then type in a text of hi. Now, if you click run up here, run with this, then you should see an error message right here. Hi. This is SYS. It's short for system. And let's remove this, and this exit code is like your error system in Python. So let's say you find a system, let's say I said var1 equals 0. We could do something like if var1 equals 0, then we can add an error message saying var1 is null. And then we can type in the line 4. That way, if we need a specific error debugging, it will just say it right here. var1 is null, line 4. So the system.exit, as you notice, exited out of the code before we could do the SYS exit high. So this is something nice about the error code. What else can we do with SYS? Well, type in SYS dot, and then you'll see all the stuff we can do. There are a ton of stuff you can do with SYS. So look at each and every one of them and try to check out their definitions. I think one of the only times where we really use the SYS is for their exit. So because we're going to be coding a simple Python project that is going to do stuff. Let's do a equals input. Type in something for Cozmo to say, and then a equals input. Type in something for Cozmo to say. Let's do if a equals nothing. And then we can do sys.exit. No. And then we can do these two. Nothing isn't an option. Is not an option. And then otherwise we'll just robot.say underscore text a dot wait. Well, we don't need this. So let's just open up one of our previous files so we know what we should do. Programming language, Python, Cozmo SDK, personal SDK, print and say text. Copy, paste, and I'm gonna cut everything here. If you want to cut something, just do Control X, or you can just click on Edit and then find Cut right there. Next, remove this, add a space, and paste it all right in there. Dot wait for completed. So that way we have a quick definition of what we should do with Cozmo. Next, we want to add these two spaces. Diff Cozmo program. And just remove the space. You notice that both are only 14 lines because of these two. I'm going to do like this, and then this project will show us how imports can be used with Cozmo language Python. So if we run this code out, let's say, hi friends. Well, we got some errors right here, and it's been taking too long. So here's what we can do. We can import a time. We can import with time, because what time does is we can add timeouts. And what do I mean here? If we add time.sleep, and then let's add 10, this was like a set timeout. Time.sleep 10, so that means it's going to wait 10 seconds before we do the rest of this. Here's what I show you. 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, it should tell us what to do. It should tell us in 10 seconds, type in something for Cozmo to say. Hi, friends. Hi, friends. Well, I typed it in wrong. So after 10 seconds, it should tell us what our next program is so that we don't get any basic bugs. So there is one way we can help with Cozmo. Type hot. My name is Pewter. The longer the text, the shorter it's going to take. long it's gonna take. And then let's try this again. So we can test out this nothing. Syx.exit, nothing is not an object. It's not an option. So let's try it. Nothing. Nothing is not an option. It does just like we want it to. Nothing is not an option. Except nothing. Just just to and this timer is too long. Let's do it to 4.2. Yeah, 4.2 is reasonable. So if we type this in after 4.2 seconds, it should ask us for something to Cozmo to say except nothing. So we could say I want cookies and eggs.
I want cookies and eggs. Give me eggs.
It almost sounds like he's making an echo. Well, this is one thing. Well, this is just one thing we can do with Cozmo. There's still a ton of other imports we can add, and this can take us all day long. So instead of wasting all of our time just putting in random imports and see what each one does, we're going to focus on the main three that we're doing. And this is Cozmo, SYS, and the time. Now if you see here, we can see that robot.say text A, what's an input? What's an input? We haven't used this in our last video. An input, well, I'm glad you asked. An input is like, let's say the teacher asked you, what's 2 plus 5? Or something like that. 2 plus 5. Your input is going to be 7, which is a reasonable answer. But let's say 12 times 12, your input might be 135, when the real answer is actually 144. Variables are things that get information inside them, that store information inside them. The SYX.exit, nothing is not an option. And then we can sleep for about a minute or two. So let's sleep the time by doing time.sleep, and then let's do 3 seconds, and then we can print something saying SDK program completed, no need of keeping it running. And then we can set a time .sleep to, and then SYS.exit. Shutting down connection. And then let's just put a time .sleep for 2.5 seconds. And then print shutting down connection. And then SYS.exit connection shut down. Shut down. Now, if you run this, I'll keep Cozmo right next to it. Type in something for Cozmo to say except nothing. Give me eggs. I love eggs. Cozmo actually loves eggs.
Give me eggs. I love eggs.
And then we can see a 3-second timer. SDK program complete. No need of keeping it running. Shutting down connection. And then after that, it will say connection shut down. So this is our program. Let's review over our 01 say and print text. Import Cozmo. This is going to import the Cozmo program. What are these hashtags? Well, hashtags are like comments. Let's say you're on a Twitter page. I don't use Twitter. Too young, and I don't want to get on social media, except YouTube. Comments are like something to tell you about what you're working with. Reminder, like a note. It's like some kind of notes. So you're putting in notes about something, and the good thing is that the computer skips it. Think of it as invisible code. The comments are invisible code, and the computer can't read invisible code. So in this case, the invisible code is skipped and moved on to this. Import Cozmo. We're importing the Cozmo file. Def Cozmo program. Robot Cozmo.robot.robot. What's a def? A def is like a method. Your toy box. Here's how I imagine it. Your import is you're buying a house. You're getting your house in. The def is your room. So Cozmo program can be Cozmo's room. And then the code inside it is the stuff in your room. So robot.say_text, and then here we can add whatever you want. So the robot, which in this case is Cozmo, will say this text, hi. And originally it's supposed to say text, but in our last video we went a little too far. And we went a little too far and we explored this say text. What's this print there? Print is like it sells you something to the tells something to the computer. So it's like a private message in the console, which is this. Well, the terminal. How do you call it? This run space. Yeah, the run space, the terminal. And the reason this is not working is because I'm on my configurations. And really, if you want to switch to a configuration, just do Alt-Shift F10. And then edit configuration. So that way you can run separate files. You can run it. So that way you'll have multiple files and you can run it even when you're on another thingy. An error occurred. No devices running in SDK mode. That's okay, little pal. So yeah, this is what you can do with imports. This is what you can do with Cozmo. Me and Cozmo, unfortunately, we couldn't get Cozmo. We didn't need Cozmo to really get recorded since he's not doing any movement except actually talking. And most of the stuff we were doing was really in the terminal and in the code. Anyway, I hope you guys loved the video. Please give this video a like and a subscribe, as well as ring the bell for future notifications. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and Cozmo and I will be glad to see you next time.